Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you all will be fine. Today our topic is about binomial nomenclature importance. Before starting the concerned topic, I want to discuss the binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature is a system of two words, which was proposed by Carolus Linnaeus in 1707 to 1778. In this system, all organisms are named with two words. The first word is generic name and the second part is a specific name. The generic name start with a capital letter while the specific name start with a small letter. But when you write in print form, they must be italicized. When you write it in handwriting, so they single underline. So these are the rules of binomial nomenclature and the system of binomial nomenclature. Now, importance of binomial nomenclature. Before binomial nomenclature, the polynomial nomenclature was introduced, which was very difficult to remember. Every individual have 2, 3, 4, 5 names, so that names remember is very difficult. Now the after the binomial nomenclature, it is very easy to memorize the names of every individual. So importance of binomial nomenclature. In binomial nomenclature, a single scientific name is used in the whole world. It simplifies the study of species. The generic name is common to all the species of a particular genus because they all show common feature of resemblance. So binomial nomenclature important is that all the individual are known by a single name. The generic name is same for the same species genus, so it memorization is very easy. The generic name is common to all the species of a particular genus because they all show common feature of resemblance. Resemblance means same with one another, while the specific name is based on certain definite and specific characters which differentiate individual of a particular genus from one another. So the generic name is same for the same species group which form genus, so and the specific name is different for their genus species. For example, the peepal tree, banyan tree and rubber tree are all given a common generic name, ficus. Since these are different members of the same genus, ficus possesses certain particular specific characters. They are given different specific names, namely Ficus religiosa. So here the ficus, these are the generic name which start from a capital letter, so they are same for the same species group. Ficus religiosa, people, English name. These are plants: Ficus bengalensis, banyan tree, and Ficus elastica, rubber. So rubber, banyan and people, their genus name is same, ficus, while their specific name is change from one another. Similarly, in the animal kingdom, the three carnivorous animals means are that which eat meal, or which eat meal, जो गोश को खाते हैं, i.e. गोशखोर, i.e. cat, lion and tiger are given the same generic name, Felis. So they are given different specific name, i.e. Felis domestica, Felis leo and Felis tigris. So for these three animals, Felis is the same genus, while their specific name, species name is changed from one another. So the generic name always start from the capital letter, while specific name is start from a small letter. This is a rule for scientific naming or botanical or zoological naming. The animal naming is called as zoological naming. The scientific name of plants is called as botanical names. So Canis familiaris is the name for dog, whereas Canis lupus is the wolf. First name Canis shows that these two species are in the same genus. So these are the importance. These 3 points are the importance of binomial nomenclature. When this topic come or this question come, so you can choose these 3 points. So these names are more definite and precise than ordinary names. From ordinary names, these names are very easy to remember because they are same for each and every language people. Being generally in Latin, they have a universal acceptance by people of all languages. These names are in Latin or in Greek, which are universal. Universal means which are same for the all languages people. They indicate the generic and evolutionary relationship of individual animal and plant. So they can relate the species with their genus. These are the example. This table show the botanical names or zoological names of some plants, animal, biological names of some animals, are zoological names of some animals. Makai, housefly, makki, housefly, Musca domestica, zarapa or zarafa, giraffe, giraffe camelopardalis, harpast porcupine, Hystrix licura, billy, cat, Felis domesticus. So here you can see that the genus name is start from a capital letter, while the specific name, the second name, is start from a small letter. This is a rule for scientific naming. Titli, butterfly, Pyrus rapi, Quechua, earthworm, Ferritima pastuma. These are the scientific names of these animals. These are the local names. These are the English name. Makki is a local name. A housefly is an English name. So on the next page, please come on the next page. In this page, in this table, some common example of plants and their scientific or biological or botanical names. Nilofer, Nilofer blue water lily, English name. Nymphia lotus, Nymphia lotus is the botanical name or biological name. Tambaku, tobacco, Nicotiana tabacum. Darakh, neem, Milia azedric, Surajmakki, sunflower, Helianthus anus, Lesson, garlic, Allium sativum, pool mutton, sweet pea, Lathyrus odoratus. So dear students, these are the botanical and zoological names of some animals and plants which are proposed by Carolus Linnaeus. Binomial nomenclature. Bi mean two, nomial mean naming, clature mean system. So these two naming system was appreciated by all the languages, by all the languages of people and by all the different scientists, because this system can show us the easy way to remember the a lot of individual names. So in this system, we can also the give name to different species. Some of the specific names are based on proper names of distinguished botanists and zoologists, to whom distinguished mean different, to whom the species are dedicated. Liverwort Swardilla after Professor Seward, and Lichen Chaudhry after Dr. H. Chaudhry. Similarly, Mahashir fish is given the name of Nazirator after Dr. Nazir, a great fisheries expert. So, like this, different scientists can give different name to different individual, to different plants and animal and microorganism. When they discover that, so they give the two names, the generic name and specific name. Okay, wish you best of luck. This is enough for today. Allah Hafiz.